Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening whenever you're watching this video. This is AB from the Restaurant Academy. Today in this video we are going to learn about 3 Indian superfood that you can buy from the market for yourself. The number 1 product is Makhana. Number 2 is turmeric. And last but not the least is ghee. Ghee is your Indian butter. Superfoods are beneficial for your health. In India, every or most of the Indian people are eating superfoods daily or once every week. In India, a number of superfoods are there from generations to generation. They help us to be healthy and make sure we can live a better life. Now we are going to discuss about Makhana first. Makhana is your healthy version of popcorn. I call it's 100 times better than popcorn. Makhana has carbohydrate, protein, zinc, aluminium and many more ingredients which can be beneficial for your body. Guys, always remember Makhana is coming from a plant. It's lotus plant in India. It is also known as foxnut. I also call it as God's angel food because my mother used to consume it during her fast. Guys, Makhana also helps in digestion, in losing weight and lot of other stuff. Now I'm going to go to my second topic, turmeric. Turmeric is the gold in Indian kitchen. You can find turmeric in every person household. Turmeric is consumed in every Indian household and is going for generations. The biggest advantage of turmeric is it helps in inflammation. If you have cold, you can drink turmeric tea, or if you are having any pain in the body, you can use turmeric. It will help you to relieve the stress. So guys, if you would like to read in detail, you can also check on our website, the Restaurant Academy. The link will be provided below. And now we are going to the final one, that is ghee. The third superfood is ghee. Ghee is your clarified butter. It helps in increasing bone strength. It has a lot of other benefits, like it also helps increase the function of the brain and it also helps you to make your body strong. So guys, now we are going to do the recipe, what you can do at your home with Makhana, ghee and turmeric. This is one of the most popular Indian snack that you can consume daily or weekly, whichever way you would like. But guys, also remember, don't eat Makhana too much. It's not good for the body. It can lead to constipation. So if you would like to read more about the article which I said earlier, you can read below on the link provided. So guys, let's start it. So guys, take the pan, take ghee, take 1 big spoon in it, let it melt for some time. The second step is you take the Makhana, you just open it and just put it on the ghee. Always make sure the heat is on medium flame, because guys, if you put high flame, the ghee will start burning and Makhana will become bad. So what you do, you just take Makhana on medium heat, you can just churn them a little bit, toss them slightly to make sure they are in ghee. You can see the ghee will make it into the yellow color. It's up to you if you would like to put more ghee, but don't put it too much. You can add more ghee if you wish. And the final step is putting the turmeric powder. Guys, just you need to do a small drizzle on it. Not too much, just a small slight drizzle. So guys, here we have combined all the three Indian superfood to make healthy snacks. It's up to you if you would like to add salt to it. Some people do it, some don't. It's your wish. The process will take from 5 to 7 minutes for this dish. So guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Here is your crunchy, healthy snack is ready for you to eat. It tastes, for the aesthetic people, it tastes like popcorn, but a healthy version of the popcorn. Please come and try it. If you would like to buy the ingredients, you can buy it from Indian Food Box or Fiska, wherever you prefer. Thank you guys. Bye. And don't forget,